Okay, this is the second time in this week that this sound has kept me up. I don't know if it's a cotton gin. I know it's not traffic. I'm going to record as much as I can before my battery dies. I only live 3 blocks away from a park, and the geese are migrating, so you can also hear them. Early morning, November 25th, 2012. And like I said, the second time this week I've heard this weird sound. I thought it was a cotton gin, but I'm in the middle of the city, there's no way. So maybe Linda Moulton Howe might know more about this. Alright.